YouTube.
Hey, two friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews, and today we're gonna do a steak and mushroom melt on a pretzel bun. We got our pretzel buns here. We got some potatoes, so we're gonna make some fries. I got some horseradish sauce, some demi-glace, sour cream. Of course, we got our beef, and this is 10 ounces of sliced beef. We got some barbecue rub, some mozzarella, and some baby bellas that we're gonna cut. I'm gonna do everything really quickly for you. We're gonna cut it up, we're gonna slice it, dice it, cook it. And then we are going to do everything high speed. I'll show you how to do it. I'll show you how to plate it. And then we're done. But before we get into it, this is a home chef meal. Everything came complete in the kit. The only thing you need at your house would be some onions, or excuse me, salt, pepper, cooking spray, olive oil, and a knife. So with that, we're gonna start high speed and everything, and we're gonna make it happen. So let's get at it. Hey, two friends and family, we made it to the end, got everything made, we plated it, you saw it, and now we're here. Our final taste test. I'm gonna cut this in half only because I don't wanna make a mess. But yeah, it's pretty simple to make. It takes a little bit longer just because the fries, we're not frying anything. We're actually roasting the fries in the oven. But other than that, it's that takes about like 35 minutes. Other than that, it's super easy. But I think it's gonna be good. And you know, it's a great alternative other than going out to buy food. You can actually make it in the house. So let's see how it came out. That is good. So good I bit my lip. The fact that they give you so much meat, I don't know how you put it in there. I did 2 of the buns and I put meat and I did everything and there's still way more meat left. So I don't know how you would do it. But the kind of the pretzel bun is really nice. It's it tastes nice and fresh. What you'll see in the video when I sped up is I actually brown the buns a little bit before I put them in the oven with butter. I use European butter. It just gave it a much better, fresher taste. It tastes like these were just made. The French fries came out really nice. And the horseradish sauce, it was just a mix of horseradish and mayonnaise, which is like a perfect complement to fries. The other thing you could do with this is you could add some malt vinegar and then it'd be perfect. But I would say this meal, if I'm rating this meal is probably like a 9 out of 10. Home Chef just does a really good job of giving you really fresh ingredients. Everything's super nice. And the steps that they have, you know, from roasting potatoes to preparing the ingredients to making the filling, which is easy. 5 steps, easy to go. So I would say if you have an opportunity, definitely check out these meals at Home Chef. Let me know if you've tried it before. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell for the algorithm. Please hit the like button for the algorithm as well. And in the comments, let me know if there's other meals you want me to try. Anyway, it's your boy GB Reviews. I'm out of here. You guys have a great week, and wear your mask.
Subscribe right below.